Frontier offers excellent fiber internet plans and can be a great option. That is, if you're in the right location. Do you think Frontier could be a good ISP or internet service provider for you? I'm Riley with Switchful, and let's find out. We rank internet service providers on value, performance, equipment and installation, and customer experience. Frontier offers two different internet types, DSL and fiber. DSL connects through your home's phone line, while fiber is powered by fiber optic cables. The fiber service is generally an excellent value. You get 500 megabits per second for around $50 a month, or 1 gigabit per second for around $75 a month, with no data caps. Not too bad for fiber. On the other hand, their DSL plan generally isn't the best. It will cost you about $50 a month for up to 115 megabits per second. Now, to be fair, DSL has always been poorly priced, so this isn't a specific thing to just Frontier. If DSL is the only service type available to you, it's a decent option. However, if you have access to cable or fiber, we recommend going that route. Frontier really shines when it comes to equipment. There are no monthly equipment rental costs. If you have Frontier's DSL plan, the equipment itself is pretty standard. If you have Frontier's fiber, you're in luck. You get a free rental of the Eero 6 or the Eero 6E mesh Wi-Fi system. If you're eligible, you might receive a Frontier self-install kit. If not, a Frontier professional will come out and install your internet for you. Frontier's professional installation is around $85, but can sometimes be waived through promotions. You should ask about any deals if you choose to sign up with Frontier. Now, one of the major downsides to going with Frontier is their customer service. Frontier doesn't have the greatest reputation when it comes to customer experience, and this isn't just coming from customers. This came from the American Customer Satisfaction Index, and the provider was ranked second worst in overall satisfaction in some recent surveys. On top of that, the only way to get service through Frontier is over the phone. The service, however, is fairly reliable, especially for fiber. We gave Frontier a rating of 4.1 stars, while customers gave it a rating of 3.8. So what are your thoughts? Are you gonna go with Frontier for your next ISP? Why or why not? Let us know in the comments below. If you want to learn more about Frontier or other internet service providers, check us out at switchful.com. We'll see you next time.